Hello, welcome everyone to question number 8, strings remove duplicates. From the topic Geek for Geeks must do coding interview questions. Just have a quick look at the question and we'll be discussing the meaning and the approach to it. Before that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment down below. And if you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe our channel to show your support. And now let's understand the meaning of the question. Now the question is saying that we have if we have any duplicate values. For example, in this ZVVO, we have V as one duplicate, right? So the what question is saying that if there is any duplicate values, we have to remove it and return the rest of the output, right? The first duplicate is this V, or this V can remove any of the V, okay? And we have to get the ZVO output. The question just says remove the duplicate and return the other values in a string format. How will we do that is the question now. Now we have understood the meaning of the question. Now let's see how we can do in the coding. Okay. Simply we have to just add these in a list here. Okay. We have to check. Okay. We are iterating this string now, and we will be initializing an empty list and name it as D. And this is an empty list for now. Okay. While we are iterating, we add those elements inside this. Z is there, V is there, and while adding, we check the next element that is in iteration is it is inside the D or not. Now the third index, or you can say the second index value, which is V here. Okay, we have to check if it is inside the list or not. Now it is inside the list, V is already there. So if it is there, we are not going to add that. We will skip that and proceed to the next element. Now we will check O is there or not. O is not there. So we add that element here. So the list will be comprising of Z, V, O. Okay. And now what we have to do it, we will use the dot join method. If we dot join method, we can combine them into a string format again. Okay. If we combine in a string format again by using join, we will get the output as ZVO. Okay. I hope you have understood the approach to the question also. If you haven't still understand the question, now let's go to the coding part in the Geek for Geeks website. After that, I hope your doubts will be clear. Now we are inside the Geek for Geeks website, and as we have discussed, we have taken a empty list D, and we are iterating the whole string, and we are checking if the string character is present inside the list or not. If it is not present, then we are appending that character. Okay, after appending all the values, we will be joining those values. Now only unique values are present, the duplicate value have been removed. Okay, after returning the value, we will get the final answer. And I hope you have understood the approach and the coding part also. Okay, if you like the video, give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe to show your support. And thank you for watching till then. Let's meet in another question.